Hello everyone, this is Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, our lesson is division of polynomials and monomials. We already studied how to divide monomial by another monomial. This time, we will be dividing polynomial by monomial. There are two ways on how to divide polynomial by monomial. First, we will express the given in fractional form. Another one is we will use the reciprocals to convert division into multiplication. Okay, let's give an example. This polynomial 6x squared plus 4xy divided by this monomial 2x. Okay, let's use this first way. We will express this given in fractional form. Okay, it means that 6x squared plus 4xy, this is our numerator and our denominator is 2x. Okay, now, this is just the same if we will write as 6x squared over 2x plus, we have here 4xy over 2x. Okay, let's simplify. 6 divided by 2, that would be equal to 3. And then x squared divided by x, we will be using here the quotient rule of exponent. So this is now equal to x. Okay, what about 4 divided by 2? Then that's equal to 2. So plus 2, and then x, okay, divided by x is 1. So 2 times 1, so it's okay not to write 1 there. And then just copy the variable y. So the simplified expression is 3x plus 2y. Okay, this time, let's use also reciprocals to convert division into multiplication. So what we need to do is copy the polynomial 6x squared plus 4xy. This division now turns to multiplication, and then we will get the reciprocal of 2x, which is equal to 1 over 2x. Okay, this means that 1 over 2x should be multiplied to each term of this polynomial. But before we will do that, let's first simplify. Okay, 2 and 6 can be simplified, so this becomes 3. X squared and x can be simplified, so this becomes x. Okay, what about 4 and 2? We can also simplify. So this becomes 2 and x here can be simplified, so this becomes 1 and then the variable y. So now we can multiply 1 times 3 times x, so that would be equal to 3x. And then 1 times 2 times y is 2y, so plus 2y. So this is the simplified answer. Okay, let's give more examples by answering these concept check questions. Fill in the box with the appropriate numbers. Okay, let's divide this polynomial 6a raised to the power of 2 plus 9a divided by this polynomial 3a. Okay, we will be using the fractional form of this given polynomial and monomial. So it means that 6a squared plus 9a is our numerator and our denominator is 3a. Okay, now, this is just the same if we will write as 6a squared over 3a, okay, plus 9a over 3a. Okay, let's simplify. 6 divided by 3, that's equal to 2. And then a squared divided by a is a. So this is 2a. What about here? 9 divided by 3, then that's equal to 3. And then a divided by a is 1. So our simplified expression is 2a plus 3. Okay, take a look at the second example. Okay, in this second example, we will use the reciprocal to convert division to multiplication. So our polynomial is 8x squared minus 12xy divided by this monomial 1 over 2x or x over 2. So, we will be using the reciprocals to convert this division to multiplication. So, we will copy the polynomial 8x squared minus 12xy. This division now turns to multiplication, and then we will get the reciprocal of 1x over 2 or x over 2. So, that would be equal to 2 over x. Okay, this 2 over x should be multiplied to each term of this polynomial. So we have here 8x squared times 2x. Okay, minus 12xy times 2x. Okay, let's simplify. X squared and x, we can simplify. So this becomes x. So 8 times 2 times x, that would be equal to 16x. Okay, what about here? X and x can be simplified. So this is 1. So we have here negative 12 times 2 times y. Then that would be equal to negative 24y. So the simplified expression is 16x minus 24y. Okay, this time, let's answer the following problems. Okay, the first one is, when 6x raised to the power of 3 minus ax squared plus 14x divided by 2x is equal to bx squared plus 4x plus c, what is the value of a plus b plus c? So a is here, b, and then this is c. Okay, to find the value of a, b, and c, we have to simplify this expression. So this is polynomial divided by monomial. And in this problem, we will be writing this given in fractional form. So it means 6x raised to the power of 3 minus ax squared plus 14x. This is our numerator, and our denominator is 2x. Okay, take note, this is equal to bx raised to the power of 2 plus 4x plus c. Okay, this expression is just the same if we will write as 6x raised to the power of 3 over 2x. Okay, minus x raised to the power of 2 over 2x. Okay, plus 14x over 2x. And this is equal to bx squared plus 4x plus c. Okay, now let's simplify. 6 divided by 2, then that's equal to 3. X cubed divided by x is x raised to the power of 2. Okay, what about here? X squared and x, if we will simplify, then this becomes x. So we have here minus ax over 2. Okay, what about here? 14 divided by 2, then this becomes 7. So plus 7, and then x divided by x is 1. So it's okay not to write 1. So we have here plus 7. And this is equal to b x squared plus 4x plus c. So it means b is 3. Okay, b is equal to 3 and c is 7. So c is equal to 7. Okay, the only thing that we need to find this time is what's the value of a. Okay, so we have here negative ax over 2. This is equal to 4x. Okay, to find the value of a, we have to multiply each side by negative 2. So negative 2 times this expression, and 4x times negative 2. Okay, if we will simplify negative, and this is negative, so this now becomes positive. So we have here ax, and 4x times negative 2 is negative 8x. To find a, divide both sides by x. So it means a is now equal to negative 8. So a is negative 8. We have here, we have to find the value of A plus B plus C. So meaning, negative 8, okay, B is 3, so plus 3, C is 7, plus 7. Negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5, plus 7. Then the value of A plus B plus C is 2. Okay, moving on. Let's also answer this second problem. Okay, when 6x raised to the power of 2, y raised to the power of 2 minus 3x y raised to the power of 2 is divided by this monomial, 1 over 3xy is equal to axy plus by. What is the value of a plus b? Okay, in this problem, we will be using the reciprocal to convert this division to multiplication. So, let's copy the polynomial 6x squared y squared minus 3x y squared. Now, this division turns to multiplication and we will get the reciprocal of 1 over 3xy or xy over 3. So, the reciprocal now is 3 over xy. Okay, this means that this monomial should be multiplied to each term of this polynomial. But before we do that, let's first simplify. So this x, y, x squared and y, so this now becomes xy. Okay, what about x, y squared, and then xy? So this will be cancelled. So this is equal to 1, y squared divided by y. So this now becomes y. Okay, now let's multiply. This is 3 times 6 times xy. Then this is now equal to 18xy. And then negative 3 times 3, that would be negative 9. So minus 9y. And take note, this is equal to axy plus by. So it means a is 18 and b is negative 9. So what is a plus b? So 18 plus negative 9, then that means 18 plus negative 9, a plus b is equal to 9.